everyone, Cheryl here today with Kadoodlebug Designs, and this is part 3 doing the little teddy bear in the Precious Baby Girl file SVG set. And so there's a lot of different pieces I'm gonna kind of show you that come in this. So you get like the little monkey, the bottle, the pacifier, the rattle, the little giraffe, and then the bears, and another little bear head that I didn't actually cut out because I didn't need. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing I did was, again, I'm just using the brushed corduroy. I did that in parts 1, I think part 2, on the little monkey. Here's the little monkey that I did. And so I did use that. I used the little rounded dauber and just soaked it up really well, and then kind of did, when I did this one, I just kind of gently held the little muzzle and did that. And so I've got that one done. And then on the on the body, I just took the body and I kind of went in like so. And got that all done up. And let me wipe this. And so, whoops. And then I did the same thing on the lighter pieces for like the inner ear and all that. Okay. So I kind of just wanted to show you that. And then I did use Pretty in Pink to do the little diaper. Oops. And I just kind of came around, same thing. And circular motion, and got that done. Okay, so all my pieces are prepped here. There's not too many pieces on this one, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So let's start with her back foot. So her little back foot has some little paw pads, and so we're just going to add those. So on this one, I actually added it to the top, just because I felt like you weren't going to really see this foot back here. You're basically going to see the top of it and a little bit. So you could add it to the under. On this one, I added it to the underside. So I just flipped it over. And if you're on a cell phone watching, I try to tell you to watch full screen. And you can do that by clicking the little white box down in the right corner. That way you'll see down low here. So on this one here, I just wanted a little bit out. And then we're going to go ahead and get that foot on. And this one, we just want it to kind of be, let's see if I can see. We want it to be up a little bit, like so. So you can see a little bit up here. Then we're going to add this little tail on. And the little tool I'm using is a Viker tool I got off of Amazon just in case. Whoops. Want to get that on. Okay, so we've got that on. Now we can go ahead and add the little diaper. Super cute these are. And so we kind of want it like so. And I put a lot of glue. Oh my goodness. Let's just dab some of that up. Okay, and then press the rest down. All right, and then I'm going to add the little ties on here. Whoops. And then the little piece that goes in the center, and then I can press it all down. Okay, so we have that on. Now we want to go ahead and add the arms on. And so I kind of just placed the arm, whoop, like so. So I put a little bit of glue. And you can always check with the head to see, because like the head goes right about here, I'm thinking. So this could probably come up a tad. Okay, and then I'm going to add this one on as well. And on that one, I just want a little bit showing. And then we'll go ahead and get the head on here. Let's see if I got that. She's super cute. I love all the little pieces in this file. All the, like the little giraffe and the monkey. They're just, everything's super cute. So now I'm just gonna add this little muzzle. Get that on. I'm gonna use some chalks. These are Stampin' Up's chalks. And then I'm using the Lovin' on the brushes. These I got off of Amazon in a set of 12. You can do the cheeks as light or as dark as you want. I think that looks good. So the next thing I want to do is, I guess I'll get her little nose on. And she does have a little mouth that cuts out, which I did actually use on this one. Sometimes I'll just draw them on this one. And then for her little cheeks, I like to add some little black dots. And then her little eyes, we can do those too. Now the eyes do cut out, but because I did this smaller, they definitely were too small for me to want to mess with. So I'll either use like that, or I'll bring in one of these Viva Pearl pins and do that. Or you can even use the little half back pearls, the black ones, they're small ones in that, or the tiny little dewdrops. But right now I'm just going to draw them on. And then, so the next thing we want to do is go ahead and get her little earpieces put together. And just press that down. And then I want to get this other one. These come together really quick on this one here. And I thought these are going to be super cute on either in a little mini album or on a scrapbook page. I'm not sure yet what I'm doing. I keep going back and forth between the two. So I just want to get her little ears up. And then get this one on. Okay, you can always, again, press down a little cloth. And then her little bow goes right about here. And then the little heart. Okay, so I've got all that done. And now I can just come in with some white dots. And you can do a dot here. and then on her, on there, and then on the little paws, and then on her back foot. And I'm thinking that's it. I think she's pretty much done. You could come in with glossy accents on her nose. I guess I'm going to just do that anyways. And then I'll take the pin right back over and get the white back on here. And that'll just make her nose glossy. So there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed my video today on doing the little bears. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, please follow. And thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.